Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm very excited to share another super easy and super delicious recipe with you today. Green beans with a secret ingredient. This recipe only requires 5 total ingredients and takes about 30 minutes to make. You won't believe how something this healthy can taste this delicious. So, let's get started. These are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of green beans. Good green beans don't have any brown blemishes, like that. 1 packet of Zha Chai, also called preserved mustard stems or tubers, usually found at Asian supermarkets. This is the secret ingredient. 2 jalapeños, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and optionally, a splash of shaoxing wine for that restaurant quality dimension of flavor. We're gonna boil some water. While the water is boiling, we'll wash our green beans. Okay, and then I'll just bring them to the chopping board and just chop them off like this. Let's wash the jalapeños and chop them. Let's remove the seeds so it's less spicy. Now let's mince some garlic. We're gonna add the green beans to the boiled water, and we're gonna boil that for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your green beans should be done, and the way to tell is if you can break apart a green bean with your spatula. Remove all the excess water from before and turn your stove on to medium-high heat. Add some oil, and when the oil is hot, we're gonna add in our jalapeños. After 2 minutes, your jalapeños should be pretty brown. Then we're gonna go in with our garlic and our Zha Chai. Along with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Next, we're going to add the star ingredients, our green beans. Give that a few tosses. If you feel like the green beans need more oil, go ahead and add a few splashes of oil. Then we're going to go in with another tablespoon of oyster sauce. So I just tasted a green bean and I think it needs a little bit more oyster sauce. So I'm going to adjust according to taste. So feel free to grab the bottle and add little by little until the green beans taste like how you want it. Once you're good with the doneness and the flavor of the green beans, we're going to finish up by adding just a splash of shaoxing wine, just to give it that restaurant quality flavor. Toss it around for about like another 20 seconds. This is one of my favorite vegetable dishes to make at home. It's disproportionately tasty for how simple this recipe is. The Zha Chai really elevates this dish to the next level. It's like the perfect companion to the green beans because they share a lot of similarities in crunchiness and shape, but they're just different enough to make things interesting. I really hope you try this recipe at home because it's a lot healthier and tastier than the soggy takeout you get from a restaurant. As always, leave a comment if you tried this recipe, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.